Welcome everyone to HFN. Today is October 23rd, 2019. Here to give you all the news according to the charts and tell you how to avoid Bitcoin price plummets that occurs in the market. If this is your first time coming to our particular channel, you appreciate the content, you see how easy it is to view our price charts and the language that we speak, definitely hit that subscribe button, like and share these videos. And then on top of that, make sure you follow us on Facebook and then on Twitter and then on our website at HueFinancial.com. All those links and information will be in the description of the video. Now we're going to talk about Bitcoin and what exactly happened today in the market. Now, the only way that you can avoid price plummets, specifically in Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency space, is to see the market going that way before it actually gets there. And I'm going to talk about that today because on October 20th, 2019, we did our video for Bitcoin and we were still expecting this market volatility coming to the space. Okay. Now, what we did do on that video was we placed a smaller time frame buy position in the market in Bitcoin with a TP price of $8,300. And as I zoom in, you can tell that the market in Bitcoin came and hit that price 3 times after we created our price target. 3 times. Right here is the first time, second and third. At each of those three 4-hour bars, the market continued to show you that market weakness was there. So we knew that our overall long-term trend in the market in Bitcoin was correct. That is going to continue to move lower. Now, the first one, the buy position that we had at $8,300, 1.23%. Okay, so that was profitable forecast right there. And then I'm gonna switch back over to the daily and you can see that we're still profitable in our long-term trade in the market. Now, another thing that you can tell from a daily perspective that Bitcoin was still weak was right here. Right there on October the 11th, 2019, the market in Bitcoin was unable to break above $8,800, just like it did the last previous days of that particular day. And then it happened again on the 25th of September. All of those things are just simple evidence that you need to be aware of in the market to let you know how the market is feeling. And those occurrences told you that Bitcoin was still weak, and we got that playing out today in the market. So if you were able to grab this price target in our market at the very bottom, you could have gotten 5.49%, but seeing that we're still trading below, and if we were to get out the market as of this recording, we would have a profitable trade of about 7.33%. Okay. And I told many of our members on our HueFinancial website that once we break this $7,800 to the downside, that the market move will be a lot severe. Okay, so that's very profitable. We're going to talk about what we're looking at into the market in Bitcoin now. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to extend or move this solid black line right here. I'm not just going to move it down here now because this is where the market in Bitcoin is going to try to hold resistance. So what we're doing in the market in Bitcoin is just simply stepping lower in the market for Bitcoin until we find some support. Okay. Now, as I zoom out, the next area of support in Bitcoin, a lot of people don't want to hear it. It's going to be around $7,000. Okay. Given that massive spread bar that's coming into the market today in Bitcoin, I wouldn't even surprise me to see the market hit $6,500 neither. Okay. So it's going to be real simple on this particular price prediction in Bitcoin. We might hold support right there around $7,500 only in the short term, but I'm still expecting this long-term movement in Bitcoin to continue to move to the downside. We're going to play this one on the 3-hour chart and go ahead and extend this. And I'm going to bring this area right around there to where the next area of support can be in the market in Bitcoin. Okay. So let me zoom in a little bit closer for us. So this is it right here. Okay. So the next resistance area is going to be around $7,800. I won't be surprised if the market in Bitcoin actually tries to hit that, but the trend in the long term is still for that continuation to move lower. Now, we haven't been trading around $7,000 since May of 2019. So it's been a while since we came back down to this particular price. We cannot break this consolidation area here, because if we do, definitely $7,000 is going to be the next location. Okay. Now, when I look at it on the weekly time frame, this market in Bitcoin is still weak. So the expectation is definitely for the market to at least try to grab that $7,000 area for support. It's still a small probability. I would say 15 to 20% chance that we can hold right here at 7,400 and just make another small movement higher. But this trend is still in play. All right. So I just wanted to come in and show you all that particular update in the market in Bitcoin. Weakness is readily present, so don't expect this market in Bitcoin to give us any strength right now. Okay, keep it tuned in here though, because we'll be one of the first ones to tell you when we do see something changing in the market in Bitcoin. Make sure y'all maintain your profitability, and as always, I will see you all on the next one.